Welcome to our channel. For testing batteries in labs and for small-scale production of lithium-ion batteries, manufacturers need small equipment to test their battery packs. Here are the 5 key features of this machine. Handheld, portable handle on top of the machine. Channels, it has 2 battery connection channels. Indicators, it has separate indicators for each channel. Heat sinks, the cabinet has excellent heat sinks. Communication, ₹485, CAN TCP/IP. Now, let us delve into the functionality of our product. Step 1. Connect the battery pack to the BCDS with the help of alligator clips. Step 2. Connect the BCDS to the power supply with the help of a power cable. Step 3. Connect the BCDS to the computer with the help of a communication cable. Step 4. Turn on the machine after all the connections have been. Step 5. Analyze the parameters using the Semco software platform. Here is the list of our other satisfied clients.